Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something straightforward yet important: how to delete your Depop account in 2025. Whether you're decluttering your digital life, switching to a new app, or just taking a break from online shopping, deleting your account is a quick process. I'll walk you through it step by step so you can do it in under 5 minutes. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Depop account on the app or website. If you're on the mobile app, open it up and head to your profile icon, usually in the bottom right corner. Tap on that, and you'll see a menu with options like Settings or Account. Go ahead and select Settings. Once you're in Settings, look for a section called Account Management or something similar. Depop might have updated their interface by 2025, but it should be easy to spot. Scroll down until you find Delete Account or Deactivate Account. Tap on that, and the app will probably ask you to confirm your decision. This is your safety net, so double-check before proceeding. You'll likely need to enter your password or verify your identity via email or two-factor authentication to prevent accidental deletions. After that, Depop might prompt you to explain why you're leaving. It's optional, but your feedback could help improve the platform. Once you've confirmed, your account will be scheduled for deletion. Keep in mind, this might take up to 30 days to fully process, giving you time to change your mind. A quick tip: before you delete, back up any important data, like your purchase history or saved items, because once it's gone for good. Also, if you have any ongoing sales or bids, resolve them first to avoid complications. And there you have it. That's how you delete your Depop account in 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. If you run into any issues, drop a comment below, and I'll do my best to assist. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.